Can you back up an Android phone to iCloud? Yes, and it's easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you 3 safe and effective ways to sync Android data to iCloud, plus an extra method to back up your Android to a PC. Pick the one that works best for you and keep your data protected. Part 1. How to back up to iCloud from Android manually. Download and install iCloud Drive on your computer. Connect your device to this computer with a USB cable. Access your Android device on a computer, navigate to the file you want to transfer, and copy-paste it to your computer. Go to iCloud.com on your computer and log in with your Apple ID. Open iCloud Drive on your computer. Drag and drop the file you just saved on your computer to the corresponding folder on iCloud. For example, pictures should be moved to iCloud Photos. Part 2. How to back up to iCloud from Android via SyncCloud for iContacts. Open a browser on your Android and go to iCloud.com, then sign in. Install SyncCloud for iContacts. Open it, and add your iCloud account. Enable Sync, and the app will automatically upload your Android contacts to iCloud. Part 3. How to back up Android to iCloud via iCloud.com. Open the Contacts app on your Android. Tap the menu, and choose Import or Export to storage to save a VecFF file. Connect your phone to a computer. Open the SD card, and copy the VecFF file to your desktop. Go to iCloud.com, sign in, open Contacts, click the gear icon, and choose Import the card to upload the VecFF file. Part 4. How to back up Android phone to iCloud via Sync for iCloud. Install Sync for iCloud. Sign in with your Apple ID and allow permissions. Pick the data to back up. Set Android iCloud, and tap Sync. Wait for it to finish. Then check your data in iCloud. Part 5. The best alternative way to back up Android to computer. If the above methods feel limited, a better alternative is Mobikin Assistant for Android. It lets you preview and selectively back up data without overwriting old files. This makes it a reliable Android backup and management tool. Step 1. Install and launch Mobikin Assistant for Android on your computer, and connect your Android device to the computer via USB cord. Allow USB debugging on your Android device, so that the software can detect it. Step 2. Go to the left sidebar to select the data types you want to back up, and the software will start to scan your device. After the scan, you can preview the scanned data and check boxes against each data or tap Select All. Step 3. Once your wanted files have been selected, you can then click on the Export button from the top menu. Select an output location on your computer to initiate the sync process.